beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous DIY box braid with a coily and using Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle. So you can see from the beginning I show you the Brazilian wool and the things I'm going to be using. Now I want to section my hair, just showing you the first stage because it's not easy to section your hair yourself. It's not easy. The hustle is real. So I just show you the back, how I section it. So I use Blue Magic. After I'm done sectioning the track I want to section, I'll apply Blue Magic in between where I section. You can see that is what I'm showing you. Then I'll use a band to hold it down. My hair is moisturized very well, so I just use the Blue Magic cream. I rub it on the rubber band, then I apply it on my hair. Make sure your hair is moisturized before you can do this kind of protective hairstyle. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm showing you how I'm picking out the Brazilian wool I'm using. I'm just making sure one part is longer than one. I use 26 strands of Brazilian wool for each braid. So now you can see I just use my head to be the third strand of braid. Then I borrowed the Brazilian wool from each section. Do you grab what I'm trying to explain? So I keep braiding. Then I'm going to be adding eco styling gel towards the tip of my hair because my hair is kind of kinky, so I don't want it to show, so I want to blend it in very well. So I'm going to be adding eco styling gel to the tip. I use only 2 packs of Brazilian wool to achieve this braid. I use only 2 packs. I never wanted it to be longer, but I just left it like that. I still love the length like that. I still love it. I wanted to achieve something bob, but still love it like that. So I use only 2 packs of Brazilian wool. I keep braiding down. I keep braiding the hair down. So when we get to the tip of the hair, you are going to see what I'm going to be doing. That is what we are going to use to achieve that coils. That was the main reason why I was dragging the Brazilian wool to be longer than one, so that it will be easier for me to braid the tip down without tying. So you can see I'm going to be adding this xpression braiding hair towards the tip. Then I'll keep braiding. Then I'll add another one again. Then I'll keep braiding. I won't tie a knot. No, I won't tie a knot. I'm going to be using a rubber band to hold the tip down. The strong rubber band. Do not use all these light rubber band, or else when you dip it into the hot water it's going to break. So I'm going to be using this rubber band to hold it down. I cut the xpression hair I use. I have it. It's an old xpression hair I used to make a DIY. I cut it into 6. So you can see what I'm doing again. Just drag the tip. One should be longer than one. Then you braid. You use your hair to do the 3rd strand. Then you borrow from each of the Brazilian hair. I hope you understand that part. I don't really know how I'm going to explain that part. You can see I took a little from that side, then I took a little from the other side. Then I keep braiding. This is a very easy method to braid. Even though you're a beginner, you can actually do this. This is a very easy method to achieve your braid. If you don't want to go to the salon, you want to save some coins, save it. Let's save it during this summer. So this is a very easy method for you to achieve your braid, and it's painless. You won't feel any pain if you don't hold the rubber band tight. Just make sure you didn't use the rubber band tight, as in you don't hold it tight. So you can see I had the xpression braiding head to the tip, sorry, to the tip. Then I braid. So I'm going to use a band to hold it. Don't worry, all those excess Brazilian hair, we are going to trim it off. The main reason why you are seeing the excess Brazilian hair is because we drag one Brazilian hair longer than each other, so those excess you are going to see it. So just trim it off. There's nothing, when you trim it off, it's going to be okay. So now I'm going to be using these rollers. Is it rollers or coiling, whatever? I'm going to be using it to achieve these coils. So that was why I said do not use all these light elastic band. I do buy this elastic band from African store. Then now I dip it inside hot water. Please be careful at this part. Be very careful. I use only one towel, but if you want to achieve yours, make sure you put another towel on your neck. Then we had some mousse just to lay everything down. That adds some shine, to add a lot of beauty, spice, shine. Make sure you moisturize your scalp when you are done braiding. Then I use hand dryer to dry the tip. Then down, look at the coils, how this coils is bouncing. Yeah, so it is bouncing. Then towards the end of the braid, I was like, let me add some spice. So I use these hair accessories. I just put it at the tip of all the braids. Wow, that is all. This braid took me only 1 hour 30 minutes to achieve. Yes, if you see who help you to section your hair, it won't be up to that. Let me just say like 1 hour you can achieve, but I sectioned this hair myself, so it took me 1 hour. You can even pack it up. Just look at it. That is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share with your lovers. See my next video. Stay blessed. Mwah.